Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to use two bash scripts that use tcpdump and nmap in order to monitor networks and do a vulnerability scan. I'm using Metasploitable as a machine that I can hack and do whatever I need to do. And as you see, Metasploitable has a IP address, which is, where's the IP address? 192.168.56.130. And the port number is, the interface number is ETHO, so ETH0. So that's what I'm going to be using to do this bash scripting in Cali. Okay, we are in Cali and we are going to put in some scripts. Now, Bash is the default shell for Kali Linux, so you don't have to put in anything in order to get into the Bash shell. Let's start with the vulnerability scan. We are going to use nmap for that. And nmap is a network scanner, and it's used to discover hosts and services on a computer network by sending packets and analyzing the responses. So the code, let me just put it right in here. The code is nmap p T4 192.168.56130. Okay, so it's starting up, and we're going to see something in a minute. And what these mean is, okay, so the -p means port scan, and because I don't have any particular port after the P, then it means scan all ports. The -T means scan very aggressively at 4 times speeds, okay, and it assumes that you have a reasonably fast and reliable network. So as simple as that, you see that all the ports are open. It shows the vulnerabilities, and you get to know, if you're doing pen testing, you get to know what ports to try to get in. Now, of course, this is metasploitable, so it is purposely vulnerable. So you're going to see all ports open, but normally you don't see all ports open. Most ports are closed and not very vulnerable. So that is a very good script to use, and a script that you would probably use a lot as a cybersecurity analyst. Now, going on to, oh, and also if you don't have nmap, you just do apt get install nmap, and then it'll bring it in. And I have the newest version, so it didn't give me any upgrades or anything like that. So on to the next tcp dump. And again, if you don't have it in your Kali, apt get install tcp dump, and then so already have the newest version of this also. So I didn't get anything new. So we have our TCP dump, and TCP dump is a command line utility that allows for you to capture and analyze network traffic going through your system. It is often used to troubleshoot. And the pro of TCP dump is that it's text-based. It's easy to run remotely, and it do have a disadvantage, lack of analysis. Although you can easily capture traffic, you can't really analyze it, so you have to bring it into another tool in order to analyze it. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the package on a particular interface. I'm just going to put the code in there. It's very simple code. Bash is pretty simple. It's just Linux. Okay, so what this code is, and of course you're calling tcpdump, you have the dash I, which means interface, and after that dash I is etho, and the dash N means do not resolve host names. Okay, so they don't tell you like the actual names of it. And and so we're going to stop this. You could just use Control C in order to stop it. I don't know, mine was a little stuck. Okay, so we got 24 packets captured. So, TCP dump, okay, the I is the interface. The end is do not resolve host names, and the C is count. So once it got to, we did 24. So once it got to 100, it would have stopped. It wouldn't have keep on, capturing packets. So it is good to see what is going on your network. And those are your two bash scripts for cybersecurity professionals. Thank you for watching. Bye.